Okay, let's start by looking at the Chill battery. There's been a few people have asked questions about them. So on this side we have the key and the battery check meter. So what happens, we press this button and some LED lights turn on and will light up. So I'll press it again. At the moment you can see a red and 3 greens, so it means that it's fully charged and ready to go. As you are using it, the greens will drop down, so you'll go 75%, 50%, 25%, and when it's red you should recharge it. So now we know the battery is ready to go. It looks a bit ratty because it's got a plastic cover over it. I've just removed that, and now you'll see it's nice and clean and bright. So when all the lights are on, the battery is fully charged. On the other side of the battery we have our charging port, so that's where the charger gets plugged in, and there's also a switch here that you can turn the battery on and off. So the O stands for off, so in that position the battery is off. Flicking it backwards, the battery is on. This is the battery tray, or what I call the rail, and to fit the battery to the rail we need to turn it over the right way and position it about probably 15mm from the back of the battery rail. So here, so we just move the battery along till it drops down, and then it gets pushed firmly backwards until it locks. Now mine won't go back at the moment because I've got the key turned the wrong way. So I'll put it in the right direction and push it backwards, and you'll see it's firmly locked, and it's now flush with the back of the battery rail and the battery itself. That's how I know it's on the tricycle correctly. Once the battery is on, you need to turn the key. It'll go half a turn and then can be removed. This now means the battery is locked onto the base of the tricycle and can't come off. Never ride the tricycle with the battery on but unlocked, because the battery can slide forward, hit the ground and obviously get damaged. The battery can be charged either on the tricycle or off the tricycle, and it's a matter of fitting the receptacle into this hole. So you push it in firmly, it'll go in about 8mm and then stop. Now we need to connect power to the charger. Now I've just connected the charger to power, and it's a bit hard to see, but this light now is red, so that indicates that the charger is charging the battery. When the battery charging is finished, this little LED light here will turn to green, indicating the battery is fully charged. I'll show you what that looks like by just removing the charge port from the battery. So now it thinks it's finished its charging and it turns green. The charger is a smart charger, which means you can leave it on for 6, 7, 8 hours at a time without a risk of the battery catching on fire.